First of all, we're really excited about having everybody at the conference. So we've got a record crowd. We haven't done it since COVID, so we're just glad to check this box off to get everybody in person. So one of the key things about that, having people in person, is they get to collaborate amongst each other. They all use FleetCommander, they use it in different ways, but it's a great opportunity for the users at the conference to share information, particularly those that might be in the same sector. We've got a couple of utility companies that are already talking, even pre-conference. Universities and colleges are getting together, so it's exciting to see people get together and collaborate. And then obviously our support teams are going to be training, talking about all the changes we've had in our product, which are very significant since the last time we met. One of the key things of Agile Fleet, we have our core values obviously, and strong partnerships is a really big part of everybody in our company, and also we hope it's in all of our vendors and all of our clients as well. So just strengthening those partnerships that we have with people, letting them come share information, be open and honest with us about our products, let them see how we develop our product, how we prioritize all the enhancements we're going to build, and let them be a part of that. So just really, I hope by having everybody here, we're great collaborators and great partners with each other, and really serving the fleet community well. One of the exciting things about this conference is to be able to go over the enhancements that we've recently added to our FleetCommander product. So they're very significant. They're designed to really help increase utilization of the fleet. They're designed for ease of use. They're designed for ease of implementation. So there's quite a few changes that we have. What we're doing at this user conference, it's a little bit different than others, is as we go through these kind of in a training format and a review format, in the adjacent room we have what we call our tech forum. We're going to have a group there so that they can go over and help customers actually implement this on their FleetCommander site while they're still at the conference, as opposed to having take notes, go back, explain it to somebody, and then try to do it on their own outside of the, without the expertise that our team brings. So we brought our entire tech support team and implementation teams to help customers really walk away from this conference not with a lot of, not only a lot of new information, but with their FleetCommander site already taking advantage of the new features that we've recently announced.